How many times have you wished your money would just make money for you? That's the dream of passive income, getting paid without clocking in. And for a beginner investor, the idea of a set-it-and-forget-it platform like Stash is extremely appealing. But can you actually build passive income using the Stash app? The short answer is, absolutely, yes. But it requires the right strategy. Passive income, in a financial sense, is money you earn from investments that require minimal daily effort to maintain. Stash is an investment platform, and investing is one of the most classic forms of passive income. The key is in choosing the right tools that Stash offers. So, let's break down the 3 best ways to make money passively within the Stash app. The first, and most straightforward, method is through dividend stocks and ETFs. A dividend is essentially a share of a company's profit paid out to you, the shareholder, on a regular basis. You buy the stock or ETF once, and the money keeps flowing into your account. On Stash, you can easily find investments that are specifically focused on high dividend yields. All you have to do is turn on the dividend reinvestment feature, or AutoStash, and you create a powerful, passive compounding engine where your dividends buy more shares, which then earn even more dividends. It's the definition of your money working while you sleep. Our second strategy is automated investing with Smart Portfolio. True passive income means removing the need for daily decisions. Stash's Smart Portfolio does exactly that. Once you set up your risk profile and funding schedule, the system automatically invests, manages, and rebalances your money for you. This professional-grade portfolio management, which is usually for the super-rich, becomes completely hands-off for you. Your investment grows passively over time, focused on long-term wealth building. Finally, the third way to passively build your portfolio on Stash is by using the Stockback card. This is a brilliant way to turn regular, everyday spending into investing. Instead of earning points or standard cash back when you use your debit card, the Stash card gives you fractional shares of stock. For example, use it at a grocery store, and you could earn stock in that company. You aren't doing any extra work or spending extra money, you're just shifting your spending to a card that passively converts it into an investment portfolio. So, if your goal is to generate passive income, Stash provides the key ingredients, the right investments like dividend funds, powerful automation features like Smart Portfolio and AutoStash, and the unique Stockback card that turns your daily purchases into growth opportunities. Just remember, passive investing is a long-term strategy. Don't expect to be rich overnight. Consistency and patience are the most important tools in your passive income kit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.